So today we are going to complete question and answer of the chapter 25th question words, okay, from your English grammar book. So make questions for these answers in your notebook. Remember to put a question mark at the end of each. I told you, dear students, sentences start with special words and end with question mark, okay, are called question words. And we can say WH family also, because of each word start with WH, okay, WH. So we can say in easy language WH family or WH words also. So let us start one by one. First answer, that is my uncle Raju. Okay, so I told you na, who is used when we ask questions about a person or people, चाहे वो प्लूरल हो या फिर सिंगुलर हो. We start our question from WHO, who. Okay, so who is that? Our question is, who is that? So that is my uncle Raju. Okay, next, this is a book on India. Okay, so question is, what book is this? So this is a book on India. Where are you going? Okay, here what, when we use what is used when we talk about a thing or things or information for something or someone, about an object, an idea, an action. So we use there what. This question start with what. So this is a book on India na, so information na, so we start our question from what book is this. Okay, next, where are you going? Answer is already here, I am going to the library. So question, where are you going? So where we use when we use where is used when we talk about places, है ना. So I am going to library. Library is already indicate to place ना. So our question start with where are you going? Where question word, from where question word. Okay, next, with I go to North Point School. Particular name na, school name na. So I told you, my dear student, which is used to ask about particular thing or place. Okay, so a question start with which question word. Which school do you go to? I go to North Point School. Okay, is it okay? Okay, come to the next one. I will come to your house on Sunday. So question, Sunday, टाइम. मैंने बोला था ना, टाइम कौन से क्वेश्चन वर्ड को इंडिकेट करता है? व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट, व्हेन वी यूज टू टॉक अबाउट टाइम. ओके, व्हेन इज यूज टू टॉक अबाउट टाइम. सो व्हेन विल यू कम टू माय स्कूल? आई विल कम टू योर. सो द आंसर अबाउट टाइम ना. So our question is start from when question word. When will you come to my house? So answer is I will come to your house on Sunday. Okay. So when is used to talk about time. Okay. Next, exercise number B. Read the answers, then write the correct question word for each. Yes. Answer, I am going to Mumbai. Dash, are you going? So where is used when you talk about places, and so are you going? Our question start with where. Where are you going? So students, please write here where. Where are you going? I am going to Mumbai. Next, dash are the holidays starting? Answer. Look at here. Answer. Okay, the holidays are starting from 15th May. So indicate the time na. So I told you when is used to talk about time. Okay, like for example, when do you go to school, है ना? So write here when. This question start from when question word. WHEN, when means कब. When are the holidays starting? So answer is the holidays are starting from 15th May. Come to the next one. Dash book are you reading? So answer I am reading Matilda by Roald Dahl. Okay, so particular book का name है यहाँ पर. So I told you na dear students, when we use which question word is used to ask about a particular thing or place. So here thing means book na. So which. Our question start from which question word. Okay. Which book are you reading? Okay. Next, dash is that man. He is my father's friend. Okay. So when we use who is used when we ask questions about a person or people, है ना? So here we use WHO who question word. Who is that man? He is my father's friend. Okay. Dash are you going on Sunday? टाइम आया है फिर से. ओके, नहीं आया है टाइम, प्लीज़ आया है ना. सो तुम संडे को कहाँ जा रहे हो? देन जब हम प्लेस की बात करते हैं ना, वी टॉक अबाउट प्लेसेस ना, सो वी यूज वेयर. ओके, सो अवर क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट विथ वेयर. Where are you going on Sunday? तो I am going to the mall on Sunday. Okay, place आया ना, mall है ना. So we use, जब भी हम when we talk about places ना, we use where question word. Our question start from where. Okay, where are you going on Sunday? So I am going to the mall on Sunday. Yes. Dash teaches you English. Okay, so Mrs. Gupta teaches us English. So who teaches you English is used when we ask questions about a person or people na. So we use WHO who means कौन. Okay, who teaches you English? So answer is Mrs. Gupta. Whatever, आप यहाँ पर मिसेस रितु ओझा टीचेस अस इंग्लिश भी लिख सकते हैं. ओके, सो क्लियर? हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? ओके.